Hello everyone, Melody here as per usual. Today I'm just going to be talking about future plans I have for this channel and for life in general. This video might be a bit boring for those of you who don't particularly care and only came from the Tulpa related content. I'm going to be rambling a bunch, so just feel free to skip to the description where there will be a TLDR. Future videos. So as I believe I've already mentioned on the channel, I have a laundry list of videos planned for this channel, a handful of which I've already started scripting. The main videos I've already started planning and scripting are, in no particular order, how to make a tulpa, the differences between tulpas and altars and imaginary friends, Wonderlands, we make a tulpa, Headmate introductions, and Topal Communities. The reason why I'm sharing this is because I want to give you guys something to expect and to be transparent about my plans. So just a quick explanation about each of these videos. Headmate introduction. I do eventually want to introduce my headmates to you guys on the channel. I'm currently having them work on scripts based off of a series of questions I'm compiling for them. I'm considering holding back on this, however, until the channel has more subscribers. Until then, feel free to comment questions that you want my headmates to answer in the future. Another video I'm holding back on is how to make a tulpa. The reason I'm hesitant to make this video is that my system has no experience with actually making a tulpa. The two that are currently part of my system, which are myself and another one, developed unintentionally. I don't want to simply regurgitate information compiled from other tulpa guides, and I'm more inclined to direct people to those guides rather than to give my own advice on the matter. Furthermore, Furthermore, I want my tulpa creation guide to be as good as it possibly can be. So I might wait until I, 1, have bought a better mic with which to record my videos because this laptop's microphone sucks. And 2, have become relatively skilled in a much better video editing program than just our laptop's default program, which is very limited. I mean, it works for now, but I do eventually want to upgrade. So it might be a while before I actually make a video on that, unless people specifically requested me to make it earlier. New tulpas. For those who know me from Discord, you'll already know this. For those who don't, my system is planning on making 2, maybe 3 more tulpas in the future. Not the near future, but sometime in the future. We're waiting until we're more stable as individuals and as a collective before we start adding new headmates. I'll give actual details once we make the video for that. Now for the videos I'm probably not going to wait on. Tulpas versus imaginary friends / altars. This video I do want to get out relatively soon and might actually be the video I put out next, because I feel like it would be a good video to have on the channel as a reference for those who might not know all that much about plurality, or people who just generally confuse the concepts, which there are quite a bit of. With all the stigmatizing of DID/OSED and plurality in general, I want to make sure that I at least contribute to clearing up some of the misconceptions people might have. This might be the one I make next week because I've already written a post on the subject somewhere, and all I really need to do is just dig that post up and convert it into a YouTube script. Topal Communities. I'm in quite a few Topal communities all over the internet, mainly on Discord and Amino, and I think it would be useful to share some of those communities with you guys so you can have places to go if you want to talk to tulpas and hosts. So I'll be gathering up those resources in a comprehensive compilation video at some point in the near future. Wonderlands. This seems like a pretty good video that I can make. They are extremely common for tulpa systems after all. We have one of our own, and we have plenty of friends who would be more than willing to tell me about theirs. I might give some insight on how to make a Wonderland, or save that for a separate video. Surprise topic! Collabs. I also at some point want to do collaborations with other Tulpa YouTube channels. I want to be able to plan those in advance, so if you're interested in doing a collab at any point in the future about anything at all, hit me up now or as soon as possible so we can plan it well in advance and work with both of our uploading schedules. An upload schedule. So I've actually devised a specific schedule that I'll be using to basically make, edit, and then upload my videos. So essentially I'll be starting my scripting process around Thursday to Friday, record Saturday, edit Sunday, and if I don't upload on Sunday, I will upload my videos by Monday. So hopefully this will bring a bit more stability and habit to the channel, so that way you can regularly expect videos rather than wondering, oh my god, is Melody gonna upload this week? So yeah, that's a thing now. I do want to note that even though I already have a list of videos that I want to make, and some videos I've already have on queue, I do want people to still feel free to suggest things to me that I might not have thought of. I will put them on the list for a future date, and if you want, I'll even give you credit for the idea or give you a shout out in the video being like, hey, X requested that I make a video on this, especially if the idea is really good. So feel free to send me your ideas if you have an idea for a video that you want me to make, or otherwise you just want a video that might already be on my list to be uploaded faster, because if people start requesting things, then I'll have more of a reason to get that video out quicker. So that's really all there is for this update. This is kind of a spacer video while I work on my next few videos and decide which one I actually want to record next. See you next week!